Right, so I'm going to talk about radon and how you can remove it. Really easy and cheap. Takes a little time, but as you can see here, my radon levels are at 1.1, which is not that bad here in my basement, considering it started at about 2.3, and I got it to go down point by point by point by point, slowly, all with the help of my NaturAir Ionizer. Now this negatively charges the air with ions and in turn rids you of radon. So about 3-4 months ago I started this, and it's been going down ever since. Today it just went down another point. Well, I should say 0.1 it went down, and it's been doing that periodically with that NaturAir Ionizer. So it's a little slower for each additional fraction of a percentage here. It seems like this time it took about a month for it to go down again. Maybe it'll take another month for it to go down again. But from what I understand, the way that negative ions work is they kind of take the particles of whatever's in the air, in this case radon, along with other things, small dust and whatever, and it makes them stick to surfaces of things in a way that I don't really understand that well, but I did a little research and that's what I learned. Not only does it help with radon, but it also has health benefits, which is why it's here next to the bed, projected directly at me when I sleep and towards my radon detector. So for everyone who's thinking about spending a whole bunch of money to remove the radon from their basement or wherever, if you got time and you don't mind the wait, you can go ahead and just use your NaturAir or any other ionizer, negative ion machine that you have. So go ahead and give it a try and let me know what you think. Thanks.